Hey guys, what's up? So this is my 2013 iMac setup. I got that new M1 Mac Mini, so I'll be replacing this setup with that. Hopefully you guys will love it. I'll also be running some benchmark tests, so you guys can stay tuned for that also. So for the setup, I'll be using this 29-inch LG ultra-wide monitor. It's the 2020 model. Here's a side view. Compare the thickness to my iPhone 10. This is my Mac Mini. It's the base model with 8 GB of memory and 256 GB of storage. Now I went with the Space Gray Apple Magic keyboard. Do you guys know of any actually good Mac keyboards? Because I couldn't find any that I really like. And here it is, real nice and thin. Very nice feel. And just like the keyboard, I went with the Apple Magic Mouse 2 in Space Gray. I could have went with a trackpad, but I just like having a mouse. And I'll use this USB-C to DisplayPort adapter to connect my monitor. And here it is. Materials feels pretty durable. This is our USB-C side, and this is our DisplayPort side. Alright, now that I got everything connected, I'll run through this setup process off camera. And here it is, macOS Big Sur. Now it's time to take a look at my setup. So what do you guys think of my new Mac Mini setup? Please let me know in the comments, and also please give this video a thumbs up. So now it's time to run those benchmark tests as promised. Now we'll be doing a Cinebench R22 multi-core test. Here's the results. On the multi-core, it scored 7,828. And it's number 7 on the list. Now let's run a single core test and see how it does. Here's the result. It scored 1,519. Now let's do some disk read and write speed tests. Now let's run some Geekbench tests and see what results we get. I'll go ahead and speed this clip up and show you guys the results. Here's the results: 1751 on the single core and 7709 on the multi-core. Here's a more detailed look showing all the numbers. I know a lot of you guys might be interested in seeing that. Let's look at the single core results and do a comparison. 1751 is our score, and it pretty much beats everything, as you can see. So pretty much this is bye-bye Intel Macs. Did you guys get any of the new M1 Macs? If you did, let me know which one you got. Let's look at the multi-core results and do a comparison there. Our score is 7709, and as you can see, there's only 2 ahead of it. So for a first generation chip, this performance is amazing. You can only imagine what the next generation of chips will perform like. Now let's run the final test. This will measure the performance of the GPU. I'll go ahead and speed this clip up and show you guys the result. And here's the score, 19,633. And here are all the numbers for those who are interested. So these new Mac Minis have Wi-Fi 6. Here's a great Wi-Fi 6 router. I'll leave my review link in the description. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Overall, I'm very impressed with the performance of the Mac Mini. This was a well-needed upgrade, and it finally happened. Also, I love this ultra-wide monitor because it helps me better multitask. So if you want to see more videos on this Mac Mini, just comment down below and let me know what you want to see. As always guys, thanks for watching and peace out.